We're here. We are doing the Ocean Outlook Loop via the Nature Trail. And then I think it loops around some and comes back down the McGonagall Trail. So we may or may not try and sneak in Adams Lookout too. So there's our first destination. Good morning. Today we are in Camden Hill State Park and we're doing the Ocean Lookout via the Nature Trail. Like I said a minute ago, I have not done this trail. I've done quite a few. And the first thing I noticed is this bridge never used to be here. So that's pretty cool. And I'll show you what that looks like. Usually when I come here, we've hiked Mount Batty. And if you haven't seen one of those videos, I'll link it here. But have not yet done this trail, although Mount Batty starts here. So look at this cool bridge. Look at this. Wow, this is cool. All Trails puts this as a moderate hike, 2.8 miles in length, so not super long, with 984 feet, I believe, of elevation gain. I'll take a picture and put it right here so you can see. So, not only was the bridge new, I don't remember these stairs either. Look at this. It has been a while since I've been here, but another addition since I've been here. I see another one up ahead. All right, look at these. It's a blue mark trail, but I think the stars are pretty neat. Following the stars. So, Mount Batty is 0.5 miles to the left, and that's the way I've always come. We're turning right for 1 mile to get to the Ocean Lookout, and I'm excited because I've never been on this trail. Woohoo! FYI, it looks like the blue trail, see the faded blue marks that we're following, has now turned into the red trail. Just kind of swapped over. Next sign. Okay, so the Mount Batty summit, which we didn't do, was 1.2 miles. And the Ocean Lookout, which is what we're on now, is only 0.3 miles away. And we're going to keep going this way. We're back to blue and red. I see red up ahead, but blue arrow showing we're going the right way up the rocks. Made it to the first little outcrop of rocks to check out the view. See down into the town. from the peninsula, kind of the line. That is the breakwater, Rockland breakwater. It's pretty neat. Alright, now we're on the yellow trail marked by the star. McGonagall Trail. Alright. Down the rocks. They do look wet. So we're being slow and cautious. Goes for a little ways. I forgot to show you the sign up top. I'll put a picture right here. You could have got to Mount McGonagall. It was another 0.5 beyond the trail, so it would have added a mile altogether if you wanted to go out and back. Also, you could have got to Maiden Cliff Trail, which we've done multiple times, and if you haven't seen those videos, I'll link one here. And you can like add a huge loop. I don't know how many miles it would be, but you can go over to Maiden Cliff and add a giant loop. It would have been, it's got to be 10 miles probably to do that loop. Maybe not, but so that was pretty cool. But we didn't do that, and we skipped Adams Lookout because we met another couple hikers that said the view wasn't that great compared to what we'd seen when we were at the top. So we are really getting close to the bottom here, I think. So let's keep on keeping on, I guess. I'm gonna turn right to get to the hikers parking lot, and let's see what is the other way. Oh, just the camping area. That's not exciting. Well, unless you're tired and you want to camp. But we're gonna go this way. Oh, we got some boardwalks. Very nice. This next one looks slippery because it's old and kind of wet. Not too bad. We made it back to the new bridge, but we are gonna go visit the top of Mount Batty, even though I hiked that one before, but we can drive to the top. So we're gonna go check that out. So hang around for a few minutes so you can see that. We made it back to the car and went to the top in the car. This is one of the first bigger mountains, Mount Batty, that we climbed when my kids were little. I do not have a video, but I just remember my son being like, we could have drove to the top when we had hiked here, but kids are funny. Anyway, we had a great time. Beautiful views. Highly recommend. I'd say moderately easy. It wasn't too bad. Yeah, and too bad. I think a big part of why it was much easier today as it wasn't hot. So that makes everything much easier. I hope you enjoyed the views as much as we did. Thanks so much for following along. Hope you have a great week, and we'll see you in the next video.